Hey everyone, it's Steve from the garden. I'm on here today harvesting my German Butterball potatoes from my 17-gallon plastic tubs, and I want to just give you a quick look at when I'm getting out of the harvest. German Butterball is a main crop potato, and just pulling off some of the vegetation off the top here brought some of the potatoes up already. And as I dump this out, you'll see what I'm getting on this. Now, these potatoes are not the largest, but there is like a lot of them. So let me just push some of the soil out of the way here. I said these potatoes are producing a pretty large quantity. And they're just kind of throughout the entire soil. Now with main crop potatoes, they will form potatoes all the way up. You can see, just a little bit digging around, you pull up a whole bunch of them. This is what I harvested from a single container. This is a container we just did, and these are the 4 I did previously. I've already pretty much filled up a 5-gallon bucket of potatoes. These are the other 6 buckets I needed to harvest. You don't count that one over there on the end. That bucket flooded out because the drainage hole is plugged and the potatoes rotted in there. So there's not going to be anything in that one. But once I get these other 6 harvested, I'll come back and show you what we got. We'll see what the containers weigh first so we can subtract out that weight. So it looks like we're at 1 pound 9 ounces. For the 17-gallon tub, we have 38 pounds 8 ounces. For the 5-gallon bucket, we have 27 pounds 4 ounces. The total weight came out to 65 pounds 12 ounces, but once we subtract away the containers, we get 64 pounds. So I think with my other harvest, this puts me over 200 pounds of potatoes for this year, so doing really well. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got something out of this, and we'll see you on the next one.